So, from Kolkata, we were taking the train to Borotalpada, a tribal village of Adivashi Santali people. We had been invited by the people from Trimukhi Platform. For the past 10 years, they had managed to construct a cultural center in a village of more or less 1,000 people. Along the railway tracks, sprung up here and there incredible colourful houses, like birthday cakes in a tropical bush. 2 hours by train, and then we spent 2.5 hours by road. Again, birthday cakes and temporary palaces made out of wood and colourful cotton, in honour to Kali, like the ones we saw in Kolkata. When one goes to the details of the patterns, this one is made with grains of herbs and straw. After the heavy truck and car hooting in Kolkata, we are in apparently peaceful Borotalpada. Young, I had been impressed by Fritz Lang's movies on India. So I had come in search for the Bengalese tiger, but instead I found in this village the elephant corridor. Once in a while, herds of elephants, troubled by modern society, try and find new spaces, but they are big and the people are scared to be tramped on. Down the road, we met up with the inhabitants, tasted the food, drank rice beer, and enjoyed the spirit. It was the local cleaning week, so people were busy redoing the plastering of their floors and walls with a mixture of clay and cow dung. Much are put on the designs with soft angles, which we could compare to some contemporary designs. But then again, new inspirations arrive in the tribal village from the nearby Hindi culture. While going around the outskirts of Borotalpada, I saw quite a number of lonely flip-flops abandoned along the way. People walk a lot, but maybe they are some kind of offerings to nature. Not far away, a Santali dance festival was organized. It was a festival of headdresses with peacock feathers, leaves, brushes and symbolic ornaments. All this was very inspiring, so the idea was to organize a meeting with the village people and expose a number of projects that I had thought of. We, Les Pas Perdus, are very fond of meeting up with people and initiating collaborative contemporary artworks. And here, the possibility was to outline living vernacular aesthetics as audacious as contemporary experimentation. So the proposition, a visual feast, will be held on the main road passing through the village. The corridor of the abandoned rubber flip-flops. Spaced out on each side of the road, sculptures inspired by the dancers' headdresses, but this time made out of broken clay pots, used material and the abandoned flip-flops, and all this, of course, mixed with peacock feathers, will furnish the pathway. In the meantime, an outsized sculpture will be placed on the elephant's corridor. Made out of very tall bamboo poles, colorfully painted in between each knot. A certain amount of inox plates will be attached to the poles. Like a scarecrow, these plates will reflect the sun in the eyes of the approaching herd. So, be ready to come on the 2nd of March 2019, on the occasion of the 11th night of theatre organized by Trimukhi Platform.